Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. JK Hool here. I know it's been a while, guys, but I'm telling you, I've been working like a dog, and it's rained a lot here. I work during the week, so the only time I really get to do videos for you guys is on the weekend. And all it's done in Tennessee is rain every single weekend. This one is nice, as you can tell. So I'm gonna get right to it. It's gonna be a short little video. One thing I want to do for a while. Just, you know, when you get a little older, you like a little more view to be able to see at night. So what we're gonna do, I got one of these 21-inch LED bars, and it's got, if you notice, try to help you all out here and see it if you can. I'm trying to get you an angle here. Well, not working too well. Anyway, right here, these are like kind of like fogs, and these are like spotlight. Anyway, we hooked this up just to the truck's battery the other night, and this thing was absolutely amazing. I mean, it was like turning the size of a whole entire front and backyard in a day. Literally that bright. We're going to put it in front of the bumper, and then what we're going to do is wait till this evening when it gets dark, and then we're going to turn the truck around facing out to the field across the street, and we'll see how bright this puppy is. Alright guys, I've already went through and I drilled the holes in the frame. Not a big deal, boring. Basically a new drill bit though, just a couple bucks. Now let's see if we can get the light in. Hey guys, I'm sorry that was such a short video. I tried to film over the last 2 days, and like I said at the beginning, we've been fighting with rain so much, that's why I haven't done videos. I've got a pile of stuff right over here. I can't get on trucks. You know, I don't have a garage, so I do everything outside. So, at Mother Nature's mercy, unfortunately. So, this is a short one. I messed up hitting the record button right. Sorry. But hopefully that won't happen again. But don't forget, subscribe, like, and share the videos. And y'all take care. Remember, please do not text and drive. One thing, a lot of states now it's against law. 2 can get you killed. But peace.